What's going on YouTube? Acro Llama FPV here. Today I'm going to do the maiden flight for my first build. This is my first build and I'm about to try to fly it, see how it goes, and hopefully I didn't sabotage something in the build. It's very snowy out here in March, northern Minnesota. It's very wet because it's starting to melt, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. And I put some conformal coating on most of the electronics, so if I crash, hopefully that will protect me. The last time I flew a real quad, I had a Wizard and I lost it. And here's the DVR footage.
How could you make me feel so good and do those evil things you do now? I'm falling. I was all in. Now I'm running to survive. You got me in overdrive.
So yeah, that was pretty depressing, right? I don't know where it is. I looked for it many times, and it might be in the lake, might be in a tree, it might be buried in leaves, so whatever. I never did trust the Wizard, and that's another good reason. I also used this stupid receiver that didn't have diversity, that was for my phone. Do not do that. I would not recommend that at all. But yeah, I want to throw some props on here and do the maiden flight. And it might be not super exciting because I don't know the range. I haven't flown here for almost 2 years, or a year. I haven't flown here for a year. And there's snow everywhere, and I don't want to kill my drone first try. So yeah, we're gonna fly it around here, and maybe I'll do some cool little tricks after I build confidence before I crash it again. Here's that flight. This is the first flight. Hopefully it doesn't just flip over upside down. Trust this better than the Wizard in the first flight. Well, guys, that was the maiden flight. Now I'm just gonna rip a couple more packs and see how it goes. Try to fly a little more fun.
There. Oh. Oh.